There we go. All right. So, hello, and my name is Rainey Ray, and I'm a gold leader in doTERRA. And all that means is that I love helping people and their pets get healthier using essential oils and other natural products. Today, I want to talk to you specifically about loss of taste and smell, so that everyone seems to be referencing on Facebook and wherever else. I want to talk to you about the exact protocol and how to do it for yourselves, your friends, and your family. So this was also covered at our doTERRA annual convention by Dr. Ozelthorpe. I always mispronounce his name, who is our medical director. So the sense of smell and olfactory training, which is what it is in a PubMed article, which you can search, but it's at PubMed, and the article number is 19235739, but I will include it, a link when I post this video. So what you want to do is you want to take 4 different oils, and you're going to take each of these oils one at a time and put a few drops either on a cotton ball, okay? So just plain old ordinary cotton ball, but real cotton. Or what I like to suggest to people is that you go onto Amazon, and if you want to make this for some of your friends and family, you would go onto Amazon and buy, these nice little, they're nasal inhalers, okay? So they have this hard cotton that you put the oil on, you put it inside, and then here's a cap that you would close it with. So what happens then is you're able then to, if you're helping someone else, to maybe give them an extra gram or so of each of the oils if you want. And you can fill up this nasal inhaler with oils for them to use. And then they have those oils, as long as they stay fresh and closed, which is not forever, but they have a little bit extra then to replenish it. So what you're doing is, when I go through each of these oils, you're going to be telling your brain that what it's smelling and what it smells like, okay? So the first oil is lemon. All right, lemon is an oil that we all love. I love it so much, I keep mine with a dropper top on it, okay? So lemon, you're going to tell yourself that lemon is bright, it's fresh, it's tart, it's sour, it's refreshing. The things that you feel about lemon and remember about lemon, how it tastes, how it smells. Lemon is an oil that if you want to get these for yourself or for somebody else, we use lemon every day in our water. It cleans your kidney, colon, and liver. Lemon is an amazing uplifting oil to diffuse anyway, all right? It is an oil that is extremely cleansing. You can add it in your cleaning spray. You can use it just like Goo Gone, and put on where stickers are. So lemon is a very useful oil that we all have at least one bottle in our home. And as you can tell, I love it, and I have the dropper top on it, all right? The next oil that you're going to use is clove oil. All right, clove. When you smell the clove, whether you're smelling it from a cotton where you've put a few drops or from the nasal inhaler, you're going to tell yourself how fragrant and rich and round this aroma is, how it reminds you of fall, and how it reminds you of certain pie that either you make or that you grew up with. Clove is an incredible antioxidant. So you want to have this in your arsenal anyway. I used to think that cloves were just those little dry things that you stuck in the ham to hold in. When we were growing up, mom would hold the pineapple ring and the maraschino cherry on the ham that she cooked with a clove and a toothpick. Okay. I was so wrong. Clove is one of the highest antioxidants that we know. There's a scale for measuring antioxidants, just like peppers. And I think the scale is called the ORAC or BORAC scale. And blueberries that we all think are so high antioxidant are about 5,000 on that scale, give or take. Clove is close to 1,000,000. So clove is one that I love to put in a drop in my smoothie. I love clove to diffuse. So clove is an oil that you definitely want to have in your arsenal. In addition, clove is antiviral. It's good for colds, flus, circulation. I love clove also if you have a toothache. You can take a wee bit of clove and put it on, and it actually will numb, right, Jules? Numb the toothache. And it just is such a wonderful oil, great for thyroid, metabolism, even good for smoking addictions. It is an oil that is great for people that have brain issues, memory loss, Alzheimer's. So there's a reason this oil was chosen for this protocol, okay? The next oil is eucalyptus, all right? When I think of eucalyptus, I think of a spa, all right? My favorite combination to spray, and we use it as a bathroom air freshener, I use it as a personal fragrance, is eucalyptus and our lovely Serenity. So you're going to smell the eucalyptus either again through the cotton or through your nasal inhaler, and think about it being a menthol, fresh, it's herbaceous. Like I said, it reminds you of being in a health spa. Eucalyptus is great to open up your airways anyway. I love to sprinkle a little on my shower wall, where the splashes of water are going to spread it through the mist in the shower. So eucalyptus, and I'm reading out of the Essential Life book, is wonderful, as I said, for airway issues, congestion, cough, all of that. But did you know it can help with shingles, malaria, cold and flu, fever, bites and wounds, and cuts and blisters? It's great for an earache if you put it behind the ear. It's great for high blood pressure. It's wonderful for bladder issues. I love it for mental fatigue. It's quite uplifting and rejuvenating. It's wonderful also if you have cellulite or edema. So you want to keep eucalyptus around all the time anyway. These oils are not just for your sense of smell and taste to help revive that. These are oils that you want to have every day. Last but not least is rose oil. Rose, really, I used to say that lavender, frankincense is the king of oils, and I used to say that lavender is the queen of oils until I was introduced to rose. Our rose is exquisite. Unfortunately, it's very expensive because it only comes from a certain pink rose grown only in Bulgaria, a species developed by doTERRA. So you can buy rose in a 5 ml bottle. Okay, rose is very expensive. It's $2.75 wholesale for a 5 ml bottle. Or you can get it, and it's perfectly all right to get it in the roller for this purpose. I use the roller all the time. The roller is $70 wholesale. Rose is an oil, when you open it up, you can smell this on the other side of the room. It is so pungent. Okay, our rose oil is absolutely the finest rose oil that you'll ever find. It's exquisite. So think of when you're smelling the rose oil on that cotton or on that inhaler, think about Valentine's Day. Think about flowers. Think about love. Think about comforting. Think about how intoxicating you feel that smell is. I love to put rose over my heart every evening as I'm relaxing and calming down for bed and unwinding. Rose is said to open up your heart. When I go into large groups, and I learned this from our founder, Emily Wright, I love to put rose oil over my heart because let's say you're mingling at a party or wherever, you will find that you are open, your heart is open to people, and therefore people feel that and their hearts are open to you. But rose oil has so many medicinal powers. It is an oil that is part of the protocol that can be used for bacteria and other things that you can catch. It is also a wonderful oil for combating staph infections, including MRSA. Now, MRSA is prevalent in hospitals and clinics now. So you want to have in your arsenal oils that you can use in order to combat that. So MRSA, staph infections generally, poison oak. I personally am highly allergic to poison oak and poison ivy. And I have used rose to, when I know I was exposed and you see those little bumps starting, I've used rose and poof, you know, it takes it away. It's wonderful for, if you know anyone that's of childbirth age, it's wonderful for childbirth and even baby blues. I love it because it helps people that have seizures and other brain and nerve issues. It's great. I use it every day in my skincare treatment because it's wonderful to help with fine lines and scars and wrinkles and even facial capillaries. My skin used to be blotchy. Some thought I had rosacea, but it was certainly blotchy and I had a lot of capillaries showing, and rose, in addition to other oils, has smoothed out my skin, taken away a lot of the fine lines and wrinkles, and made me feel like I didn't have to wear blusher and foundation and stuff in order to smooth out my skin. So rose is a very, very powerful oil. It's antidepressant. It's an aphrodisiac. It is an oil that I am so grateful that doTERRA came out with an affordable version in the Rose Touch. So in addition to those 4 oils, some people are saying that what they've done is jump on Amazon or whatever and buy one of those copper tongue scrapers. So that can help you with your taste buds if that's the issue. So what we're saying is get these oils that you don't have in your home, use them for yourselves and your family. If you know people that are suffering from loss of sense of smell and taste, you can either put together a package and help them buy them wholesale. You can buy them for them and gift them to them. You can create little small sample bottles of them and use the nasal inhalers, fill that little cotton up that I showed you. And with, you know, I would probably put 5 or 10 drops in there and then seal it up good and give them some backup any way that'll work. Okay. This does take a while. It will take doing it twice a day for 12 weeks. Some people are getting results earlier and quicker, and some people are, it takes about 12 weeks, according to the research that's been done. If you're interested in other research beside the PubMed article, I have several other articles that will, that also speak to the same results from using these essential oils. So it's been researched, it's been tested, and it's been published. So let's take advantage of it. Anybody have any questions? Just let me know. Reach out to me or the person that's helping you with your doTERRA. If someone has heard this that doesn't have a doTERRA account, either reach out to me or the person you're already talking to about doTERRA, and we will certainly help you get these beautiful oils into your home. So take good care and let me know if you have any questions.